Today, first we are discussing about digital signages. What are the digital signages we have? Then what are the models? Then after that, what is the, our software and everything. Okay. So we can, segregate our digital signages like wall-mounted digital signage, then floor-standing digital signage, then desktop digital signage, then computer vision digital signage. These are the main digital signages we are operating. First one is wall-mounted digital signage. We have two type of wall-mounted digital signages. One is advanced and one is, entry level. The basics difference between, the entry level and advanced one is features only the difference. Other things are same. I mean, this is, this signage is 4K UHD display screen. Then it will support, HDMI, then two speaker, then especially this is Android 9.0. And it can operate 24/7, then maximum, 50,000 hours. We are giving actually for the customers 3-year warranty, but it will, lifetime almost, 5 years. And it can operate horizontal and vertical installation. So this is the second one, the entry level. The previous one is Android 9.0. This is 7.1. Then, operation hours, this is only 30,000. The advanced one is 50,000. This also we can operate 20/7. We can, use horizontal and vertical installation. So we have different model like, 32-inch, 43-inch, then 40, 49, then 55. So this is a main specification. I mean, what the difference between, DG03A and, W32 and entry level and advanced level. This is the difference. This is Android 9.0. Then this one is, Android 7.1. I already discussed. This is, lifetime is, 50,000 and, 30,000. So these are the scenarios where we can use this digital signages. Even in the cafe, for example, in McDonald's, KFC, everywhere we will see, this kind of digital signage. They will display, the list of the foods, then in price and everything. So cafe we can use, even restaurant also, they can, display their food menu and, dishes and everything. Then beverage shops, then stores also they can use. So this is another model. This is floor standing. The previous one is wall-mounted digital signage. This also, Android supported. And also we have an APK. Every digital signage, if you need to use our own software, there is one APK file also. We need to install one APK file into device. This APK file and, our software will communicate. So these are the main two model, A1F43, then A2F43. There is different size also, 43, 49, and 55. And these are the scenario where we can use even the school, then hospital and everywhere. We can, display our content, advertisement, information and anything. And this is the third model. This is the desktop digital signage. This also we can use, in any table, cash counter, meeting rooms, and anywhere we can use. This is also, Android one, Android support digital signage. This storage is 2 GB plus 16 GB. Total, 18 GB it will support. Then the screen size we have, the resolution is 1920x1080. So this is the scenario we can use here, for cash counter, then hospital, desk, anywhere we can use this one. This is actually is available only right now. One size is a 24-inch. This model name is DG03A1D24, and this is one of our most innovative product. The LCD shelf screen in supermarket, especially we are focusing on supermarket, retail stores and anywhere. You can see these are the shelves. We can use this displays here. Then we can advertise, we can give product information and anything. This one also Android supported. We there is different sizes there, 24, 23-inch, then 24, then 32, different sizes available. It will also support our software. We need to install one APK file. The APK, after the installation of the APK file, we can connect through our cloud software. So these are some case studies. This is our headquarters in China, then even Singapore, Malaysia. These are some case studies where we installed, the devices and everything. Then this is the advanced one. This is, these are the devices, computer vision technology, demography and everything. These devices are AI powered devices. These devices can read, if you stand in front of this device, or if you pass, in front of these devices, this device can, understand even it is male or female. The ID number, for example, I install or we install in this device to one store. So if you are passing in front of, this device, it can automatically take number. If 5 people is coming, it will read 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. It will count. Then it will, show our gender, female or male. Then, how many time we spend here. Then age group and everything. Then our impression also. If we are happy or neutral or angry, it will read our face. Then this is also AI-powered device. Virtual assistant, it can give virtual assistant. This is also mainly focusing on retail store, shopping mall, and hospital, schools, and everywhere. If you can see, I think almost all of them are familiar with this kind of device. If you go for any shopping mall or hospital, we need some virtual assistant, right? So no need to, maximum we are avoiding manpower. For example, if you go for any shopping mall, if you have any doubt, we need to check one store. Where is the coffee shop? Where is the cafe? Where is Nike shop? We can ask in a question to these devices. It will give the answer. So this is the scenario. I mean, it can read customer ID. Customer ID means number. Maybe I am the 10th one. Maybe next one is 11th one. Like it can read customer ID. Then it can display age group. 20. I mean, it's not a display exact, but it will display the one age group. Then gender female. Then it can read our dress. For example, I am wearing Nike t-shirt. So it will read the logo, and it will start to play the advertisement also. I mean, it will show Nike advertisement. Then somebody is wearing Adidas shoe. It will read the Adidas. It can understand the logos and everything. Then this device is start to play Adidas advertisement. So it can use especially in retail stores and shopping mall. It's a nice kind of advertisement. Based on the situation, it will show the advertisement. So these are the main devices right now we are released in our market. These are the digital signages. Soon we are going to release more digital signages. Even LED screen also we have, but that is a different module. Later, next section, maybe later next month or this month, we are planning to give the training for the LED section and the another software also. For these devices, actually, if you need to operate these devices, we need software. So we have our own software. It is known as Screen Direct. This is our own software. So we have the advantages, and we can customize and everything according to the customers even. Screen Direct is a CMS software. CMS means content management system. This is the software pushing the content through our device. This is the simple introduction. So Screen Direct software is a comprehensive platform designed to facilitate the management and delivery of digital content across the various screens and devices. If we have 10 screens, we can push the content to these devices. I mean, how many, up to n number of screens we can push content through the software. This software is particularly useful for business and organization looking to efficiently manage their digital signages, interactive displays, and other screen based on content. This software you can use third-party device also. For example, if it is Samsung or LG or any devices, if it is powered by Android, then you can use our own software. This software can use any Android supported devices. So we designed for actually third parties also. The key features of Screen Direct is user-friendly interface, then content scheduling, then real-time multimedia support, remote management, customizable templates. User-friendly interface means content. Screen Direct CMS allows to users to schedule content to be displayed at specific time, date, ensuring timely and relevant information delivery. We can schedule our content. We can, if for example, you need to schedule today only, today 10 to night 10. You need to schedule one particular content. This device will support, how scheduling. I mean, based on date, based on month, and everything. Okay, then content scheduling. I already told content. This software support content scheduling. based on time, date, and month, even year also. Then we can real-time updates. Anytime we can update. This is a cloud-based role, so you can update anytime, anywhere. Just log in. You can update. You need to, if you need to push new content, you can push the new content. Then it has, multimedia support, like, videos. Multimedia support means we can use, JPG, GIF, even, MB4, then videos and anything we can use. So remote remote management means user can manage and control the content across, multiple screen. If your screen is maybe right now we are in Dubai, if your screen is maybe Oman or anywhere, I can control from here through the software. For example, the device is in Oman, India, or anywhere, but I can control it from in Dubai. Then customizable templates. It means, this is our new feature. We already, for, if you need to push any content or design a video or anything, no need to, any support from, the designers or anything. We have already customizable templates and everything we included in the software. So this is easy to, customize and push the content. Then we can use, retail, then cooperative, then education, then healthcare, then hospitality. These are the scenarios we can use the software and, our device also. So this is, a small introduction only about, the software. Next, we can we can directly go to, our software. So I will log in our software and, one by one, I will, describe the functions and keys and everything. So this is our software. It's known as Screen Direct. If you log in, you can see, I will give you, introduction about the dashboard. If you open this device, we can see, summary, then map, then outlet, then content resources, then signage management, then associated signage, then playlist, schedule, system management, then user permission like this. I will go one by one. I know first time it is not easy to understand, but you can record the video and I will give you a brief section about each steps. If you are interested to purchase one device, so we need to, in this software, we need to add, first, digital signages. This is we need to create one store. For example, my store name is ZKDigimax. This is my store name. So first step is we need to create one store. These are the basic steps. I will, elaborate, later. So first we need to create one store. After that, we need to add, digital signages. For example, I told you before, my store name is ZKDigimax. Later, I purchased 5 devices. Then I need to, install that device in my store. So I purchased 5 devices. So in my store, I need to install that 5 devices. The same scenario, we can use this software also. We need to create one store in this software. After that, the 5 devices, how many it is up to you. We can add, devices to digital signages. After that, we need to upload, the content to the advertisement to this digital signages. Then we need to create the playlist. Then after that, the last step is schedule and publish. This is the basic things we need to do. So here we can go. We can, one by one, I will introduce, each steps. Okay. You purchase one device. First step is you need to install one APK file. We have one APK file. You need to install one APK file to your device. Once you install this APK file, you can, it will show, the screen will show, the device number. It will automatically show after the installation. It will automatically show the device serial number, device resolution, and everything in the device. Okay. First, after the purchase, we need to install one APK file to device. Okay. That is the another thing. So we need to come again to the software. After the installation to the APK file, we can go. This is the first step, system management. This is the first step. It is not in the order, but this is the first step. Go for the system management. We can see area management, outlet list, then principal management, then location type, total outlet. So in area management, in system management, first we need to principal management. Good. Don't go for, the area management first. I will explain why we need to go for principal management. Okay. First step is in system management. The first step is principal management. Okay. So while opening principal management, you can see like this. This one I already created before. So you can see, new principal. Once you clicking to new principal, it will open like this. Then this is the store. Principal means store. Press here. For example, I created one logo. This is my company name, XYZ. Okay, I give the company name XYZ. Then area. You can choose the area. First, we need to create one area. I created size, for example. This is the area name I choose. Then you can create one account, email ID or anything. I create XYZ at gmail.com. Okay. I created one email account. Then mobile number, you can give anything. Password also, you can create is up to you. XYZ 1, 2, 3. So this is the first step. After that, you can save. Okay. So this is the first steps in, our content management system. Go for system management, then go for principal management. Then new principal, we need to create one principal area. So after this principal management, you can go for area management. So already, is showing here. I already created, this is the reason why I went, principal management. In principal management only, I can create one area. That is the reason I went first this step. So here also we can create new area. Area name. I created one area, Alki says. That is superior area. This is your office. Where is your location? That one we can give. Okay, I'll give, for example, Al-Nadha. The superior area, you can choose only. We cannot create. Alki says I already given before. You remember when I created principal management, I created one area. That is the reason it occur here. If you go directly for first step for the area management, it will not come. So the important key thing is first you need to create principal management, then there you can create your area. I created there Alkises. So I give here. So the another step is here. You can select, latitude and longitude. So just click here. You can search where is your outlet is located. You can search here. For example, I give Al-Nada 1, Al-Nada 2. Okay. I click Al-Nada. For example, there is one pond park is here, or wherever it is, you can just click. Then automatically, if for example your store is located in Al-Nada, you can identify that area. Then click OK. It will automatically come here. What is, the region, center point and everything. Just save, then it automatically the area is added. Okay. This is the second step. First step is principal management, then area management. Okay. Then another one, then next step is after area management, the next step is location type. We need to create one location also, particular location. What is the location? Even same it is, even it Al-Nada, you can save it Al-Nada. Okay. That step is already finished. After we creating area, principal management, then location, the final step is outlet list. Here we can create one outlet. Okay. For example, new outlet, you can give, outlet name. Here I am giving test or anything. Contact person name, you can give. Mobile number also you can give. Email address, you can give. Then this principal, you remember before we created one principal, that name is XYZ. You remember this is the principal we created before. We can choose here, then area. This also we created before, Alkusis. This one also again we can select where is your exact location. It will come here. Address also. When you're clicking, if you address also automatically come. Location. This is the reason before we set the location. We cannot type or anything. We need to set the location first. I already set the location. Alnada. Okay, I choose Alnada. Then time zone. Time zone also very important. If your setting time zone and device time zone is different, the content cannot push. So I choose United Arab Emirates. This is the store. The store step. One store is already created here. Outlet name, principal, then area number, then address, location type. Then you can here you can see digital signages quantity. This is our store name. We already installed here. We are already operating 6 digital signages. That's why it's showing here. So this is the first step to create the outlet and everything in the store. So I will explain again everything. First step is go for system management. Then first we need to create principal management. Then after that we need to create area management. Then location type. Then last the principal. The principal manager. Sorry, this is the first step. The last one is outlet management. We need to create the outlet. Okay. I think everyone is clear. If you have any doubt, this area, okay, just write, system management area. You have this kind of doubt. After that, you can ask, So after creating, the first step, I mean the system management, first we created one store. Then after that, we need to go for digital signage. So here you can see digital signage management. Under the signage management, there is digital signage and associated signages. Okay. Open here, digital signages. Here you can add your devices and everything. Add device. Press all device. You can give the name, whatever it is. I give test number. Then serial number also, it will get once you install, the APK file to your device. It will automatically show everything there. The serial number, then the resolution also, everything. This kind of information you will get from the device. Once you install the device, I mean the APK file to your device, this all information, I mean, for example, the serial number and everything you will receive from there. So this all serial number, we used here. Then we have one device, for example, I will show you how to register that one. So I select this one. I already registered this device there. Once I, install the APK file, I get the information from the device. Okay, I click here. The device type, LCD or LED. This is LCD device. The direction, horizontal. That screen is depends upon the screen. If it is horizontal screen, you can choose horizontal. If it is vertical, you can choose vertical. Okay. Then again, the principal. We already created, principal XYZ. We already created. So I choose, our own principal. Then outlet. Once you choose, the principal, it will show out the outlet here. Once I choose showroom, it is showing ZKTeco Dubai. This is our, outlet name. If I choose, another one, test. I choose the principal XYZ. This just now I created this one. I given the name, test one. I'm sorry, the test, the outlet name I given test. If you have, it will another principal. If you press the principal, it will the outlet come here. Okay. Then the location is already, once you click, the outlet, the location automatically come here. Okay. Then the resolution. This information also you will get from, the device. What is the resolution of the device and everything. This device resolution width is 3840. Then the height is 2160. Yeah, exactly. This is the resolution. These two information you will get from the device. After that, we need to submit. This is actually already installed in, that is the only reason it is not submitting. We already installed this device. That is the only reason. Okay. After you submitting, it automatically register. So this is the scenario only how to register our device. This is the method how to add digital signages. Then next one is associated digital signages. Actually, when we can use this scenario is, for example, if one device, you need to push the content simultaneously 5 devices. Then you can use this scenario. if you have, you need to push the content one by one, no need this associated signage. You can directly use this method, digital signage, then add your device. Then after that, we can go for the playlist, and then add the content we can push. In the case, you can push the, if you have, 5 devices or 6 devices, you need to push the content through this 5 devices simultaneously. Then you can use this scenario. So once if you need to use this scenario, first the same step we need to add. We need to add, all devices. How many devices you have? You need to first add the devices to digital signages. After that, you can go for, the associated signages. Here we can add, associated signages. You can give any name, then which principal showroom. I select showroom. Then outlet name, it will automatically come. When we click, affiliated principal, the outlet name already come. Okay. So we can choose here. For example, this is one device. This is one device. This is another device. Imagine thing like that. This is third device. So maximum we can add, here 8 rows, 8 columns. Think each are one devices. You need to, the scenario I will explain again. For example, happy birthday. You need to push the content to happy birthday. This is one device. H you need to install here. HA here, P here. You need to install like this. Use this scenario. Okay. So here I will show you. I will choose 3. Under associated signages, I will choose one column, one row, 3 column. Like this, I choose. The key point is, if you choosing these devices, the size and everything should be same. The model number is same. If you are choosing 32 here, 32-inch LCD here, it should be, the associated another digital signage is also same size and same time zone also. Okay. Otherwise, it will not support. So I created one row, 3 column. Imagine like this is one devices, this is another device, this another device. These 3 LCD are being together. Imagine like this. So before that, we need to add, the devices. For example, this is the 2 devices. DG03, W32, 1, 2, 3. These are our 3 devices. So first column, I put number 1, W32. This 32 means 32 inch. Number 1, I push here. Okay, it automatically occur here. Then the next one is I am going to install 2. Come here. Then the third one is W32, 3. So now you get some ideas. These are the 3 devices. Okay. Operation successful. So it is already added, here. So this is the way how we can add digital signages and associated signages. I will explain again. First, we need to add, digital signages, the serial number and everything. We need to add, then just save it. If you need to push, the same content or, one content to different signages, then go for associated signage. In this scenario also, no need to, we need to add first digital signages here. Then after that only we can add associated signages. Okay. So always remember the key point is, once you're pushing the content, maybe the 3, maybe 10-second or 20-second or whatever it is, in 3 devices, we need to put same time duration. That one I will explain you the next step. Okay. So this is the second step. Then the third step is, content. First, we created one store. Then second, we added the devices to store. The third step is we need to push the content. So here you can see content resources. Here you can template marketplace and content resources. Template marketplace means, is already created. If you need to choose from here, you can use these templates and everything. That is, you will get, the templates and everything from here. So no need to, create your own self. The system, the software will support to create the templates. That's only one. Then the content resource. This is the important thing. Here we will upload, our content and everything. First we added, the software. First we created, the outlet. After that, to outlet, we already added devices. Then the next step is to the devices, we need to push, our content. So here we can see upload add layout, then material group. You can see the 3 steps. So from here, first we need to create material group. Material group means, for example, if you taking one electronic shop, maybe there is mobile, then laptop, everything, TV, LCD TV, everything is there. Maybe you need to create for one material group for mobile or electronics, another items. We need to create one material group. This is the important thing. Without the material group, we cannot push the content. Okay. So first we need to select our principal. Principal we created first, you remember? So I choose our own principal group. Material group you can create here from here. If you created anything, you can choose from here. Showroom, these are the old devices I added. Okay. Then group name you can give it. This also you can give on what is the group name. First one I give. So I will choose. If you didn't choose parent material group also, it will say no need to take, the parent material group also. So the principal already created. This is the group name, test one, principal, showroom. This is our showroom. This all things are occur here. Okay. This is the only small steps to create material. Always remember, once we need to push the content, first we need to go for material group. After that, we need to come, upload ads. So again, press here, principal, showroom, principal, our showroom. This is a principal. Material group, test one. This is I created, before, just before. So upload ads or anything. I added one video. So it is showing, valid. Okay. If it is not valid, it will not support. So maximum, this is another important thing. Maximum at a time, maximum number of upload is six videos. Okay. Maximum file size is 1 GB. Then 6 videos we can upload. Maximum size is 1 GB. I think previously it's only, 100 MB, but soon we already increased up to 1 GB. Then the supporting format is, JPG, JPEG, PNG, MP4. These are the files. It will take some time. So I am going to cancel this one. This is the scenario how to upload, the videos. Then this means add layout means, if you need to create your own layout, if you need to create, your own templates, go for here, add layout. If you have, no need to create your own templates, you have your own video or anything, forget about this layout section, go for upload. Directly create material group, upload group, then you can schedule it. For our layout, we can also create one name. A resolution you can choose, what resolution you require. Then principal, you already created from here. Material group, just before we created. So automatically we can design our own template. So this is, when we open the template, you can see the template is already, our system, I mean the software, we are also giving the generator template here. So if you need, you can choose here from use this one, or otherwise you can use, your own custom template. Go. If you have 3 devices, you can drag from here like this. If you need to add one more, like this, you can customize. Okay. And here you can add, if you need to text, photos, you can upload the photos here. videos or anything, you can choose from here. Then audio or anything, you can push from here. So this is the scenario. If you can use, if you need to create your own templates, that section, that time you can use it. This is the another step how we can push the content. So once we created content, the next step is we need to add the playlist. The first we created the outlet, then through to that outlet we already add the device. Then to that device we already added the audio, I mean the advertisement, video or image. After that we need to playlist. So here you can see the new playlist name. Even you can, anything you can type, whatever it is, just for your remember thing, you can give the playlist name. I create a showroom. The direction, horizontal or vertical, you can choose from here. This is upon your device. Your device is vertical, you can choose from here. This is the important thing. If you are planning to push the content to digital signages, I mean the single digital signages, you can choose here. Or you need to add associated digital signages. Once you created associated digital signage, you can choose from here associated digital signage. If you are create your own layout, you can use this one layout list also. So this is the important thing. Where you need to publish the content, you can select from here. So I choose digital signages. Okay. After that, here you can see video or image, create the playlist. So here we can see just before you uploaded one content, that content will come here. You can choose whatever it is, which content we need to push, you can choose from here. Okay. For example, I choose this one. It's already running in our showroom. Just press. This is the thing. It's important thing, 26. This is the duration. It will automatically come here if it is video. Because video have automatically, the time duration. For example, if it is image, you need to display 10 seconds. You can select here 10 seconds. Okay. Then you can confirm it. Then save it. Then here, submit. So operation successful. This is the playlist. Okay. Again, I will tell new playlist. You can select, when you push the, uploaded content, maybe, test 3. You created the name for test 3. The advertisement name is test 3. You can select from here. Okay. Or you can give the name. Then principal you need to select, then direction, then playlist type. Then you can push the content. Okay. After the playlist, go for, scheduling. Simply means, we need to schedule time, date, and everything we will create from here only. So scheduling, we can see add digital signages, add associated signage schedule. If you are going for directly for the digital signage, go for here. If you are planning to, add associated signage schedule, you can choose add associated signage. Okay. I select, digital signage. You can see here, whatever it is we created. For example, before I created one associated, you remember, this is W32, W32, W33. Sorry, 32.3. This is the one we already added. If you're going for, just before I added, 3 devices. Test, I created this test. So it's showing 1 into 3. I mean, there is 1 row, 3 column. This is the things, 3 devices. It means like this. Okay. So I created here principal, showroom, direction, horizontal, playlist, digital signage playlist. Okay. Then add video, it will come like this. Okay. After that, we need to schedule that one. Add digital signage. Schedule is already here. What we added here. So I choose, one device from here. Then next step, go for next step. Is showing online like it means it's online. Offline means there is no Wi-Fi or anything. We need Wi-Fi connection. It's important thing also. We need Wi-Fi connection if you need push the content. So I choose one device, DG03. The next step, here we can give the name. If you test from where, okay, today is 8. You need to maybe end of this 2024. One particular advertisement device, we need to push the content today until December 31. Okay. You can select from here. Then you need to select the playlist. This is the playlist before we create a test. Select this one. Press OK. It's already come there. Then time. Until from what time? From to, I mean, if you example today, midnight, 12 o'clock, you need to push the content until full day. So I will select. Okay. You can choose what time. If, for example, one particular video, you need to push the content 11 to 12, you can set the time from here. Okay. If you need even a full day, you can choose the timing and everything from here. Then we need to select month. For example, this schedule, if you need only for, this August, so it will stop once is August is finished. So I need to select, until December 31. So I choose all. The repetition mode, all day you need, or Monday only, Tuesday or Wednesday is up to you. If you select all day, it will come all day. I mean, Monday to Sunday to Saturday, it will come. Date also, you can choose. If you need, 30 days, you can choose 1 to 31, or it's up to you. When you need to push the content, until when, is you can decide, you can select from here. For example, if you need to push, the content to every month of first day. Every month of first day, you need to push this content. So you can click here and disable here. Okay. Then is publish it. Then after publishing it, this all content directly come to device. No need to download from the device. If I push the content, then it automatically come to our device. So this is the important thing. If you push the content, you should careful about your device time also. Maybe right now is 12 o'clock, your device time is 3 o'clock, then the content will not push. So timing of the device also important. Once you push the content, always careful, the timing is, if you push the content, the device time is 3 o'clock, it will download only 3 o'clock. That is the important thing, careful about the timing also. So this is the main scenario regarding how to push the content, how to push the, how to create the stores and schedule it and everything. This is the main key features about, the software. Then after that, this is another scenario, user permission. User permission means, for example, you are the manager and you have one subordinate. You need to give the access only for particular things only. So you can create, the user permission. In user permission area, first we need to create, first step is don't go for user management. First step is role management. Okay. Here we can add, role name, manager, road identifier, SR, manager, is depends upon new way. So here you can set what are the functions permission we need to give. If you need, these are the permissions here. For example, this person need to give, management content pushing only. If you give, content pushing only, or you can application management, add application, delete application, report management, advertisement, even these are the functions showing here. what are the function, how software, how, what are the functions, or functions will come here. So for your subordinate, you need to give, I mean, your employee, you need to give, add screen, playlist schedule, edit screen, then upload, the publish screen. If you need to like this kind of permission only, you can choose from here. Okay, then save it. After the role manager, we need to create one role management. After that, you can see, add user. Who is the person? You can add. Then first name, second name. You can give one email address, mobile number, position. Is from sales or any department, you can give the position. Showroom also, sorry, not showroom, principal. What are the principal you need to give the, you need to assign you this person. Okay. Then role you can choose from, I give, the manager. Okay. Then you will receive one login password and everything. So this one you can give to your employee. Once he log in, he will able to use, what are the permission you give him, that are the functions only he can use. For example, you didn't give any permission to add the device. You didn't give any permission to add the device, so he cannot add the device. You only give the permission to him to add the content. So he can only able to add the content. He cannot do anything. He can add the content. If you give the permission to schedule it, playlist also, he can do this kind of things. Other kind of things, if he need to delete one device, not possible because you didn't give any permission. These are the main features. Then here you can see, the screenshot. This is the simple things, dashboard things. The statistics, screenshot, like, the content you upload in the screenshot will come here. Then operation record also. If you did anything, if you add any digital signage, it will come here. It is successful, unsuccess, every report you will receive from here. So this is all about our software actually. So I hope we can wind up this section. Again, I am telling, if you have any doubt, you can raise your queries to your salesperson. Okay. Thank you so much for your valid time. Thank you so much.